Welcome to the future of robot programming with RobotMaster version 7. RobotMaster is known for providing the most advanced robot programming technology available. For version 7, we decided to take our users to the next level of productivity by conceiving and birthing a robot programming system that is only for robots and nothing else. We completely refactored version 7 with the most modern programming tools available. The new version 7 architecture is designed for future growth and will allow increasingly complex cell designs, stations, and operations. Users, integrators, or OEMs will be able to integrate their process-specific knowledge directly into RobotMaster version 7. Beyond maintaining our reputation for constant technical advances, we concentrated on user efficiency and comfort in version 7. For increased user comfort, we changed to a dark interface to reduce eye strain. Next, we eliminated all the unneeded commands, icons, or unrelated screen clutter. To decrease the time required to program robots, we developed a task-based programming system. This concept requires two different modes, a device mode and a task mode. This might seem contrary to prevailing CAD/CAM custom, but we have done extensive user testing to assure that our task-based programming generates considerable productivity gains. You will see later during the demonstration why we implemented this method. Being conceived specifically for robots, RobotMaster version 7 is CAD/CAM independent. Version 7 does not force you to use a specific CAD/CAM as everyone else does. We leverage and protect your CAD/CAM investment by importing model files and NC paths from any CAD/CAM. You can import multiple parts and fixtures into RobotMaster version 7. This will allow you to assemble complex parts and their associated fixtures. Now that we have imported the IKEA chair and fixture, we will present the actual workflow required to create the robot program that you will use to trim and drill the chair. You will see version 7's technical prowess, logical design, and the ease of use firsthand. RobotMaster version 7 has built-in contouring and drill cycles. Since version 7 was conceived for robots only, these operations include commands specifically designed for robots. Just place the cursor near the edge you want to follow. The V7 technology immediately presents the contour and vectors. Once you are happy with your selection, you apply and accept the contour. Just a few clicks are required to make it ready for the robot. If you look at the right side of the task screen, RobotMaster provides you all the trajectory and frame information of each operation. RobotMaster version 7 also supports 3D arc moves and arc filtering for smoother and faster robot contouring. If it's automatic, it must be also manual, is one of RobotMaster's prime directives. You can modify any point, segment, or the complete contour with our powerful editing functions. You are always in control. Until now, we have concentrated only on the part, fixture, and trimming process while in the task mode. When everything is acceptable, we assign the robot in the device mode. If you have only one robot, the default files will automatically load your robot and tooling. If you have multiple robots, we must first select the robot. Once the robot is selected, we assign the contour operations to the robot. Your default files will probably place the part in a pre-assigned position. If required, you may also manually place the part anywhere in the cell. RobotMaster calculates the robot kinematics for the trimming task. If there is a problem with the kinematics, RobotMaster will tell you the type of problem and location. We clearly tell you the problem with a green is go, red is no indicator. You are not obligated to simulate everything to find errors in RobotMaster, but we have all the simulation tools if required. Since everything is green, we could generate the robot code immediately without simulation, and many of our experienced clients do so. Notice how it takes only a few minutes and a few clicks from start to finish to trim the chair, and not hours of teaching. Now you can understand why we engineered RobotMaster version 7 as a task-based programming system. This concept gives you the power to concentrate on perfecting the process in the task mode, then optimizing the robot configuration and posture in the device mode. Let's return to the task mode and drill the 4 mounting holes. You select cycles, and RobotMaster will immediately detect and indicate the location of the cycle as you move your cursor over the edge of the hole. Once you have created the drilling operations, you can immediately see that there is excess travel time between the holes. RobotMaster gives you the extra possibility to apply and optimize the motion by creating a path with the shortest distance, thereby reducing cycle time. Once everything is perfect, you can apply the optimal drilling path and return to the robot to verify the path between the 2 operations. Again, there is no need to simulate everything to find any errors. RobotMaster automatically calculates the inverse kinematics and discovers any problems such as collision in the joint move between the 2 operations. You only need to click on the lightning flash to take you to the collision. Joint moves are the bane of robot programmers because they are the principal creators of collisions. This is where RobotMaster version 7 will save you hours of beating your head against the wall. If there is a collision during a joint move, you only need to use our new and unique graphic transition technology. This world first is easy, fast, and will save you hours of time. To create a graphic transition between operations, you simply insert the transition. A line will appear between the operations, and you can pull it around like a rubber band to avoid the collision. It is a fantastically productive function and is also informative since it is color-coded to indicate any problems. Once you have pulled the elastic transition curve above the collision, the curve will change color, indicating that you no longer have a collision. You accept the transition, then recalculate the kinematics to assure everything is green. Once everything is green, you generate the robot-ready code. RobotMaster version 7 also allows you to change stations or even robots with no or little change. If you have a station that must be used for another process, you can quickly change the part and trajectory to another with little or no rework. You have seen how RobotMaster version 7 is fast, powerful, and will save you hundreds, if not thousands, of hours teaching. People will constantly tell you that time is money, but we see it differently, because you can always make more money, but you can't make more time. Everything in the new RobotMaster version 7 is specifically designed for industrial robots. RobotMaster is true robot CAD/CAM. We allow you to program jobs that were previously impossible and radically reduce your programming budgets, especially if you are teaching or using the simulation programs provided by the robot suppliers. Thank you for taking your precious time to review this demonstration. If you have any further questions on how to radically reduce your programming cost, please contact RobotMaster at robotmaster.com. Thank you.